Hi everyone, welcome back to Niecy's Custom. Today we are going to do a 30-ounce tumbler and a 20-ounce tumbler today with the tape method, masking tape method. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. Okay, what we have, I have my image here that I'm going to put on the 20-ounce tumbler, and I have my image here that I'm going to put on the 30-ounce tumbler. Now the 30-ounce tumbler, I had to do it on a 13 by 19 paper because the 30-ounce cup is like really big. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to take our lid off, and this is what I do before I cut it. I just go ahead and I measure where I'm going to cut, like fold it over just to get a feel what I have to do. And I just mark it where I want to cut. And I'm going to be using my fabric cutter, or you can use fabric, or you can use either scissors, it don't matter. Okay, now I have that cut off. And put my tumbler back on. Make sure I cut it right, and I did. Okay, now I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm going to cut some off the bottom. Got that off the bottom. Cut that part where I had that. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut some off the top. Didn't cut too good right there. What's wrong with my cutting? Didn't even cut all the way. Okay, I think that's it right there. Yeah, that's it. Okay, once I already did that, I'm gonna go ahead and tape up my make sure that you pull it, make sure you pull it tight so you won't get no air or anything. Go ahead and tape it down. Tape it up here. Okay, and I'm just going to just bend the ends inside like that. Okay, and I notice on my videos I say okay a lot. I really do. I'm gonna have to stop that. Then just go bend the bottom like that. Oh, I had to make sure I put it in the camera so y'all can see. Okay. See, I said it again. Okay. I got to stop saying that. I hope my videos are informative to everyone. I'm trying to do my best here. I'm not an expert, but I am trying. And I just hope that y'all subscribe to my channel. We're going to go ahead and tape it up. Since we have that tape, we're going to go ahead and press our tape down on the inside of the cup. Make sure it's sealed up good. Then you're going to go in, do something with the bottom. This tape right here is ridiculous. Okay, once you got that tape to the bottom, you're going to just fold it down. Make sure no air or nothing get in there. Okay. They go ahead, okay again. Okay. In my last video, I know I said okay about 50 times. And if I was getting tired listening to okay, I know for a fact y'all getting tired listening to okay. Now I'm getting ready to do the 20 ounce. It's something that I do all the time. I always cut my white border out. That's something that I do. You don't have to follow. You do the method that you know. And if you're learning, you can do this at first. When you feel, when you get into the swing of things, you can do, what you're comfortable with doing. Now since we have that cut off, we're going to get our 20 ounce tumbler. That was hard. I see something that's wrong. I need to cut this right here off a little bit. Make sure it's on there good. Make sure I got it good and tight. Okay. Go ahead and take that down. Bender. Oh, see how that slides? You don't want it to slide like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just bend it down. Bend the ends down. And I'm gonna go ahead and put masking tape on it. First, I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to put masking tape at the bottom. Once I put the masking tape on the bottom, I know it's not going to slide no more because that tape is already sealing up at the bottom. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some masking tape on the top so that paper won't move around on my tumbler. Now I'm going to go ahead and put masking tape over the whole thing, around the whole tumbler. Okay, once you got that done, it's going to look like this. And what I like to do, I like to make sure that everything is tight around it. So I get my hand and I like make sure it's real tight. And I do the same thing for the 30 ounce. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven and I'll come back with the end results. Okay, I'm back. And I'm gonna go ahead and split open this one. You can cut with this knife, but make sure you don't do it too deep. And apparently I didn't cut it deep enough. Okay, that's my 30 ounce cup. With my baby Yoda. And with the name on the side. I think it came out pretty good. It came out real good. The next one, let's see how this one came out. Let's check this one out. And that's how my 20 ounce came out. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please leave a question in the comment section. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of other things that I'm showing people how to do, and I'm learning for myself. So it's a learning process, and we can learn together. And that's it. Remember, God loves you and I love you too. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Peace.